video, we're going to be practicing exercise 2 on your first notes practice. When you start, be sure you're finding a place where you can stand up and set up your bell kit on the stand. You want to make sure your feet are shoulder width apart so that you can hold your mallets over the instrument like this. It's important to practice standing because someday when you're playing a really big instrument, you're going to be moving around back and forth, and you want to make sure that you develop good habits around where your arms go and how your hands are. For this exercise, you only need one note. That's going to be B flat. Remember, you're going to find the group of 3 and find the one all the way to the right. Another way to find it is to find B on your instrument and then go down to the upper shelf ones. Remember, we practice using 3 steps: clap and count, say your note names, and play. We'll start with clap and count. To clap and count, sit up straight and tap your foot on the floor. Make sure that you're clapping and using our special way of counting. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3. Step 2 is saying our note names. Remember, when we have notes with a flat on them, we're going to use the F sound at the end of the letter name. So in this case, instead of saying B flat, we're going to say beef. I know it's kind of silly, but later when you're moving faster, it'll make more sense. Note names, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Beef, 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 beef. Beef, 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 beef. Now let's play. While you're playing the exercise, try alternating your mallets from each hand. So going, instead of just using one hand. You'll use this technique later when you're playing more complicated songs. Exercise 2, playing. 1, 2, ready, go. Good job! Remember, you can go back and practice any part of this video over and over again until you have it exactly right. Make sure that you're playing everything correctly and you're able to clap and count all of the rhythms and play all of the notes. If you can master these, then moving on to the next ones will be much easier. Happy practicing!